Hi there, welcome back. In this lecture, I want to talk about the database installation because some of our students may have some problems on the installation because of their operating systems, Java versions, or insufficient resources, etc. But actually, this is not related with the database. It's about the configuration or something. So I created this lecture to inform you that you don't need to worry about that. Because we have solved all these problems before, and if you have something like that, we can easily solve yours too. Now we have two options to install the database. The first one is having it with using our VirtualBox option. And the second one is installing the database directly into your computer. You can choose one of them considering your computer resources. Actually, there is one more option that runs on the internet like Oracle Apex. But I didn't mention about that in my courses because of the lack of its capabilities. And in the professional work, we use a tool like SQL Developer because they have so many additional features. Before starting to our course, you need to install the database if you don't have already. So we have two ways to have the database. If your computer's performance is not so bad, I recommend you to use our VirtualBox option because we prepared a virtual image for you that contains an up and running database. So once you install the VirtualBox software, you don't need to do anything about the database. It's completely ready to use. Besides, it is so easy to install and uninstall this machine just within a couple steps. But to have this option, there are some requirements. You need to have at least 17 GB of free disk space and 4 GB of memory. The second way is installing the database directly into your computer. With this way, you can use the latest version of the database. But installing the database software directly into your computer sometimes may have some problems because of your computer's configurations, etc. Besides, uninstalling the database is not so easy. But anyway, I explained how to install the database software directly into your computer in this course with all the details. If we talk about the SQL Developer, if you use the VirtualBox option, you don't need to do anything for the SQL Developer. But if you install the database directly into your computer, I mean the second way, you need to make some configurations about the SQL Developer. This is also explained in this course too. So basically, we have two methods to have the database in our course. You can select any of them confidently. The choice is yours. Both of them will work perfectly. By the way, sometimes the installation may stuck in somewhere because of your computer's configurations. But don't worry. If you need any help on this or anything in this course, you can easily ask your questions in the discussion board. I'll be here to help you. Well, see you in the next lecture then.